Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're unboxing Razer headphones. So let's check it out. So this arrived pretty quickly, so that's cool. Which is obviously Amazon Prime, but yeah. Ooh. Okay. So this is very lightweight, first of all. So this is one of the lightweight models actually. So when we open this, here it is. So today we're unboxing the Razer Kraken X for console. So this is the ultralight version for headphones and stuff. So this is actually from one of the cheaper sides for this company at least. So this is about $50 I believe. And then it has 40mm drivers that are custom tuned. It has a cardioid microphone that can block out all of the background noise, and it has an adjustable headband and all of that. So there's a little fabric thing here, which is really nice. So yeah, I believe this should also work for PC as well. So I'll just check that. It says consoles up there, but yeah. It should just be able to rip. Well, that's not opened as intended. Okay. So we have a nice thing. There's that premium feel with that little fabric at the top. Alright. So first of all is a code from Razer for I believe this is 7.1 surround sound. So this does have surround sound 7.1, but you have to redeem it on their website. And then here's manual, whatnot. That's what that looks like. So that's cool. Alright, now you have the actual product itself. Should be, okay, just the other way. It should be able to rise out. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so weighing at 250 grams. Also, I believe this is 9 ounces basically. So this is actually very lightweight, lighter than most standard gaming headsets. So that's really cool. And so if you're looking for a lightweight headset, I think I would recommend this, depending on how this unboxing goes. We'll see. But yeah, so there's this really long cable, which I really like. What is this? This is that premium feel to it. So much rubber and everything. Oh, so this is one of those adapters where if you plug it in and if you have the sound and the mic and the sound separated. So that's kind of them to give that. For this price, you would kind of expect it, but yeah. Alright. So over here, and I believe this just pops out. Oh wow, that is light. That is light. Like that is really. It almost feels paper thin. It's just nothing. And okay, why am I feeling like that? Get that. Okay, this is really light actually. So over here at the top we have this plastic. It kind of feels a bit finicky. I'm not a huge fan of that. But that's okay, I guess. If you be careful with it, you'll be able to last long. We have a nice cushion over here, which is really nice. It's pretty soft. And then the earmuff pad things are actually pretty soft. They feel really nice. And then over here, we have some aluminum. And there's the Razer design. And there's the blue inside the thing. Okay, that is stiff. That is actually pretty stiff. But it does show numbers in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like what's step here. So yeah. And then this is a bendable cardioid microphone. So you cannot like fold it back in or anything, it's just bendable. So that's that. We're gonna test this out and see how that works. And then down here we have volume controls, and we also have a mic on off button. So when you press it, the button sort of extends out and there's a red line around it. And then you press it, it goes back in. So this is actually pretty lightweight. I'm actually really surprised of that. But we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna see how the sound works and see if it's worth it. Alright, so now we're just gonna test out the headphones real quick and see how that works. One thing that's really cool is that they included stickers inside. You could put it on your laptop. And then over here, this headphone does have 7.1 surround sound. And here is a code. You have to download an app on the website, and the website is here, and you have to redeem the code. Which is, you can't see it because there's a scratch thing, but yeah. But first of all, we're going to test it without the code, and then I'm going to put the 7.1 surround sound, and I'm going to tell you guys about that. And then we will also do a mic test. So let's do this. Okay. So one thing that's really cool is this. It bends, but this is also rubber. That's that. So let's get this here. Okay, that is actually pretty hard. And yeah, so I'm gonna play something. And this does have eyewear channels, so you'll be able to wear your glasses for people like me easily without having it being squashed or anything like that. So that's also cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, that actually does sound pretty good. The bass is actually pretty good. It's not like the best of the bass, but it's a pretty decent bass. The high is actually awesome, which I really like. And then the mids is the mids. What else can I say about that? So now I'm gonna plug this code in and get the 7.1 surround sound, and we're gonna see how that sounds like. Alright, so now that I redeemed the 7.1 surround sound, I'll just test this out real quick. So, and we'll see how it compares. Okay. Okay, that actually sounds significantly better. It gives you like a louder sort of theme area, and without it, it seemed like someone is speaking to you directly, face by face. Whereas with it, it sounds like you're in an entire theater, and the bass is much better. The highs are actually really good, and the mid is actually awesome. So now we're gonna test this plug out. I mean, not plug this microphone, and I'll plug the microphone into the phone, and we'll see how that differences out. So here's a quick microphone test. So hopefully this sounds pretty good, and the cable is actually a pretty good length. You won't go that far from your laptop or your device anyway, so that's good. And then they also include this other cable where you're able to connect this end to that end over there, and it'll basically extend it, but it'll also give you a sound and a microphone port over here as well, which is cool for PCs that need that, or any laptops. I don't have a thing to test that with, but hopefully that works pretty well. And I also really like the 7.1 spatial audio app, which is really cool because you'll be able to use the 7.1 spatial audio on any device you want, like speakers or any like headphones or any off-brand headphones. You just need to get a code and download that. And then whenever you do that, you'll be able to use it on anything. Even like my Alienware laptop, I'll be able to use Razer custom tuned sound on an Alienware laptop. That doesn't make sense, but yeah. So here, let's take a quick closer look at this headphone. So what I really like about this is they have an aluminum grill around here, which is really nice. It helps to maintain the sturdiness and give it at least some weight. Like, this is the ultralight version, but it has some weight to it. And then we have the blue Razer logo. This is not RGB. There's an RGB USB version if you like that one. And then we have the blue in here and blah blah blah. So let's check out the cushion. So this cushion is pretty good. It does get like a bit plasticky. but it's not that bad, and it feels really nice on your head. And we also have this cushion right here. That actually feels really good. But the thing is, the higher edition, they have a cooling pad inside. So basically, you'll be cool and you won't get very hot in it. But this one is not so bad. It still maintains the lightweightness of the product. Okay, so a couple more things we have here. Over here we have this sort of numbered like step thingy. So when you pull it, there's more numbers over there. It's not focused right now. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Yeah, there's the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you basically know what step you're on. So that's cool. And then this microphone over here, it's a bit plasticky over here at the end. And then we have rubber that goes across. And what's really cool, here's the buttons. So you'll basically be able to mute this button, and you'll be able to mute your microphone, and the other person won't hear you even if the software shows that it's on. So let's say we press it, then it sort of pops out a little bit more, and then you press it again, it goes back in. And then over here we have the standard volume wheel, so that's pretty normal. Thank you for watching. I'm Baby, and also don't forget to check out my merch and the product link in the description down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I hope I'll see you in the next one.